Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove object in CapCut. So let's get started. If you use this application as your a regular video editor, you can remove object from your projects, from your video. So there is a feature that you can hide or remove your unwanted objects. Let's try. Just tap on your projects or video. I got this video from library. You can search for practice. So tap on your video and then make duplicate and tap overlay on the first video, and we make overlay here in the second video. You can tap on the second and then try to search a mask. This one, try to adjust the rectangle one. This is, for example, try to mask the in the blank space, and then done. You can tap a check this button and try to adjust the size of your object, and done. The object is gone now. So you can practice yourself to hide or remove object from your video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.